Ladies and gentlemen, this is the senior head for FCMB and also the divisional head for FCMB, right? All right, so Mr. George Ogbonaya. Right. George Ogbonaya. All right, so first thing first, tell us about your partnership with AlphaESS.
Okay, so AlphaESS is a well-known OEM for renewable energy products. And being a bank that is so focused in helping SMEs have the energy that they need and giving our sustainability interest, we think that partner with them will enable people get the right product at the right price. And I think we have a standard product that will enable anybody to go to any of the approved vendors and get the product, then pay over time. So accessibility to product like this becomes a lot more easier, accessible to majority of Nigerians.
So how can this finally be something that final consumer will be proud of at the end of the day?
From my experience, the energy cost is about like 40% of the operating expense for small businesses. So switching from diesel to renewable energy saves you costs. And being a bank and providing the initial capital, which is usually bigger, means that your monthly payout becomes cheaper, so your cash flow improves. So it becomes easier for most people to, have access to things like this and then improve their business and their life generally.
Yeah. Being an official in the banking sector, so there is already a limit for, having to withdraw 500,000 naira as an individual starting from next year, that's 2026. What impact will this have on small businesses who are cash reliant?
Zero impact.
Why
the reason is simple. We have a lot of electronic channels that are actually a lot more easier and even more profitable for you. Cash costs money. To manage cash costs you money. If you use our POS, our collection platforms, our internet banking, mobile banking, you're better off than using cash.
Okay, so what's the long-term strategy for these developments now that you cannot take beyond 500,000 naira? What's the long-term strategy as we are getting to grow with the adoption of, going digital?
I think the long-term strategy is for almost everybody to move to electronics. I mean, it's happening in different parts of it. If we go to China, for instance, almost everybody uses a white chap. So cash exposes you to a lot of risks. The technology is here, the products are here. The only gap is the knowledge and education. So I think with this policy, it's going to help increase the awareness, the knowledge, and eventually everybody just find out it's so easy to use your phone, to pay, to use your card. A lot of them you can even use your face, as an approval. So you don't need to be, go to school, for example, to be able to do that. You can authorize transaction using your face. Those technologies are here today.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much.